Light. We're surrounded by it every day, but have you ever thought about what happens when we push light to behave in ways that seem impossible? Imagine this. Scientists have actually managed to make light act like a fluid. And not just for fun. They're using this fluid of light to simulate space-time itself, right here in the lab. Let me break it down. Space-time is basically the fabric of our universe. It's what Einstein described, the stuff that gets bent and stretched by massive objects like black hole. But here's the problem, black holes are, well, pretty hard to visit. So how do you study something you can't get close to? You get creative. For a while now, physicists have been simulating bits and pieces of space-time using things like ultra-cold atoms. They've even made analogs of black holes. But now, researchers have taken a leap further. They've figured out how to coax light into behaving like a fluid. This isn't your average beam of light. We're talking about photons interacting and flowing together, almost like water in a stream. Here's the really cool part. By exploiting special quantum effects, scientists make photons interact so strongly that they start to behave collectively. Imagine waves of light moving and swirling, not as individual particles, but as a single unified fluid. This gives researchers a brand new playground to explore the mysteries of space-time. Now, why bother turning light into a fluid in the first place? Because with this setup, you can actually recreate some of the most extreme environments in the universe. Things like warped space-time near a black hole, without ever leaving Earth. In the lab, scientists can watch how this fluid of light behaves, how it bends and twists, and even how it reacts to simulated event horizons. It's as if we're building tiny, manageable versions of the universe, and peering into the secrets of cosmic giants. This breakthrough isn't just a neat physics trick. It's a powerful tool. By making light behave like a fluid, we can test theories about gravity, black holes, and even the origins of the universe. We're talking about unlocking mysteries that, until recently, were totally out of reach. So the next time you flick on a light switch, just remember, somewhere in a lab, scientists are making light do things it was never supposed to do. They're bending it, shaping it, and using it to simulate the very fabric of space and time. And who knows, that fluid of light might just help us understand the universe itself.